Good morning, Candace Carter, back with Thoughts to Go. This time you do not see me, you only see what's on my wall. I'm showing you my studio a little bit. This is the second of my showing my studio. I'm trying to hold this really, not moving it. I don't know how this is going to work. But anyway, so I'm back over here. I'm moving over to this corner, back a little, maybe up at the top. You can see we have very high walls, which is nice, so we fill everything up with pictures and paintings. Now, this is a nice little corner here where people, they can grab the Rattan chair, können den Stuhl schnappen und sich zu mir sitzen. Then we're going to go over here. Das ist nochmal eine kleine Ecke. Dann, das ist die Tür zur Werkstatt. I'll show you that later, the next room, but this is all my studio now. Now, above, you can see a big long painting of mine. Let's see if I can get it in. I can talk about that later. I just want to show you the rooms right now. So you keep moving down. This is my writing and work corner. As you will see, my computer is on. It has a picture of my studio. So, and this is moving up here again. And my arms are about to fall off. I'm doing this. I should have taken my tripod instead of holding this, but I'm holding this. If it works, I will post it. And maybe I'll go a little closer to something very important. This is my coffee. I'm a big coffee drinker, and that's why you will usually find this in my studio. So, as I said, we have gone the rounds yet. Maybe to this window, which is kind of cool. It's going to be light bad, but, oh, sorry. No, I can't show you the window right now. There's some figures that are there, some of my Barbie dolls. I recycle a lot of stuff. But anyway, we're back here to the doll. And we're almost out of time, so I will move back one more time to around the room and come back to where I will be working the next time. And I hope you enjoyed this little tour. Hope to see you again. Bye-bye.